Welcome to our geometry series. Today, we are going to explore the fundamental parts of a circle. By the end of this lesson, you will clearly understand what the center, radius, and diameter are and how they relate to one another. First, let us define what a circle actually is. A circle is a perfectly round shape where every single point on its edge is exactly the same distance from the middle. Unlike squares or triangles, it has no corners or straight edges. The most important point of reference is the center. This is the fixed point sitting exactly in the middle of the circle. In geometry, we often label this point with the letter C or O. Everything else in the circle is defined by its relationship to this center point. Now, imagine drawing a straight line from the center out to the edge. This line is called the radius. It does not matter which direction you draw it in, the length will always be the same. We use the lowercase letter r to represent the radius. Next is the diameter. This is a straight line that goes from one side of the circle to the other, passing directly through the center. It is essentially the widest distance across the circle. We use the lowercase letter d to represent the diameter. There is a very simple mathematical relationship between these two. Since the diameter goes all the way across, it is made up of two radiuses joined at the center. Therefore, the diameter is always exactly 2 times the length of the radius. Finally, looking at the outside boundary of the circle, we have the circumference. You can think of this as the perimeter. If you were to walk all the way around the circle and come back to where you started, that distance is the circumference. Let us recap what we have learned. The center is the middle point. The radius connects the center to the edge. The diameter connects edge to edge through the center, and the circumference is the distance around the outside. Understanding these parts is the key to mastering circle geometry.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.